Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by assembling essentials: your PAN, any GST registration, and the client's billing details. Once done, confirm the contract's milestone triggers and exact amounts so withholding rules apply correctly. You should create or update a dedicated accounting ledger and enable a TDS column now. This prevents retroactive adjustments. Make sure to note payment dates and responsible signatories, because those details determine when TDS must be deducted. You next calculate TDS for each milestone using the applicable rate for the income type. Consult current rates and thresholds. Once calculated, deduct TDS from the milestone payment at the point of disbursement. Do not wait. You must document the computation, prepare a payment advice showing gross, TDS, and net, and generate the required certificate, Form 16/16A or receipt. Keep those records aligned with ledger entries to reconcile later. Finally, deposit withheld TDS to the tax authority within the statutory timeline and keep the challan receipt. You'll need this for proof. Once deposited, file the TDS return in the correct period and reconcile the deposited amounts against your deducted entries. Make sure to issue the TDS certificate to the payee. If a mismatch occurs, immediately compare ledgers, challans, and bank entries to correct it before notices arise. This single troubleshooting step prevents most penalties.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.